Hey YouTube, my name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. So recently I took a look at a bunch of devices that can power your house if you ever lose power. Say there's a power outage, there's a zombie apocalypse, whatever it might be. And they're great, but there's a really unique product I'm going to share with you today that does things a little bit different. This guy right here is the Rockpals 60 watt solar panel. And what's cool about this is it uses the sun to charge your devices like your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet. Really cool, right? The other thing we're gonna look at today is this guy. This is the Rockpals 300 watt battery inverter. And the reason why we're gonna talk about that very briefly is because this solar panel can charge this so you can run your devices at night. So why don't we take this guy outside and see how it works. All right, guys, well, it seems natural when you're talking about solar panels, you should go outside, and today's a beautiful sunny day, which means my solar panel is going to be able to make electricity for me so I can charge things for emergency communications. I love that. I'll have this in my safety kit. It's real simple, real reliable. You can just put it away. When you need it, you can pull it out. Now, when you think about solar panels, like me, you probably think about huge solar arrays on homes, on buildings. Well, solar technology has improved so much, and they've made it so much more compact and efficient, and that's how this product is possible. So let's talk about the product. This is the Rockpals 60 watt solar panel, which means it produces 60 watts of power in good, strong light. Now, I was surprised. I tested this, and there'll be a test later to show you this. Even on cloudy days, you can actually make power. So this Rockpals solar panel sells online for about $160. If you want to check it out, there's a link right down below. There's a small little discount as well. Now, in addition to the 60 watt model, they do have a 100 watt model and a 40 watt model available. But I think the 60 watts right in the middle, it's kind of in the sweet spot. So for $160, I had some real reservations about what the build quality of this solar panel would be, but when I got it, I was relieved. It's pretty well made. Now in the back here, in this pocket, this is where the electronics live. You can see you've got a cable here that can connect up to the battery inverter or a laptop, and that just stays connected all the time. It also comes included with some adapters for different kinds of 12 volt accessories. This should fit almost any laptop on the market. There's plenty of options here. Also inside this pocket is where the USB ports are. I think you can see them. There's 3 right there, and there's a little LED light right there that will light up when you're generating power. So let's take the first steps to become power company independent. Now, obviously I'm being a little facetious there, but you are generating power here. Now to confirm that, open up the bag here, and inside that bag, you're gonna see that LED light right there is lit up, which means we are making power. So let's plug our phone in so we can charge it. This is a standard USB port right inside the pocket here, and my phone is charging. Now we're gonna plug in a second phone, same thing, and that is charging as well. So in my opinion, this is exactly where this solar panel shines. Beep, beep, pun intended. Right now, I've only got 2 of the panels open, and it's a little cloudy out. You can see I'm still generating power, and I'm still charging my phones. So I think it's obvious that I really like this Rockpals solar panel. Now, there's another product that works in conjunction with the solar panel, this Rockpals 300 watt battery inverter. And basically what this is a case that houses a lithium ion battery. Now that battery can be charged a number of ways, but the coolest way is by using the solar panel during the day. Now what's great about that is it means you can have power during the night when the sun's not out. Now the solar panel comes equipped with these MC4 adapters right here. These are standard adapters for solar panels, and the battery inverter comes with this adapter right here. So basically what you can do is connect your solar panel to this little adapter, really simply. You can see those MC4 adapters, and it's got a connector right here. This connector will plug right into the back of the solar panel and will charge your panel. You can see when I plugged it in, the inverter showing that it's getting a feed from the panel and powering the battery. What that means is that I can use this guy at night at any time. Let me show you. First, let me turn on the AC port right here, and you can see I've got a regular light bulb with a 110 volt connector on it. Let me plug that in, and you can see I'm powering my light bulb. Where's that sun at? Where's the sun? All right, give me a drum roll! All right, guys, it is time for the wrap up, and this is where we make sense of everything we saw today. So we looked at two products. The first product was this Rockpals 60-watt portable solar panel. The second product we looked at was this 300-watt battery inverter by Rockpals. Now let's start with the 300-watt battery inverter. This guy was okay, and obviously it works really nice with this system. So if you need something turnkey, consider this. Now I will say that this solar panel has MC4 connectors on it, which means many different battery inverters can probably be connected to this solar panel and function the same way and possibly have more features. So consider that, especially at $300. Now let's turn our attention to this portable solar panel. Let me put it as simple as I can. I love this thing. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna put it in my safety preparedness kit. It's gonna be there. If I don't use it for 20 years, guess what? All I have to do is open it up, put it out in the sun, and I'm gonna be able to make power to power things that are important for my communications. I love that. It's simple and reliable. Everything you need for emergency preparedness. That's what you're looking for. Nothing complicated. And this guy meets that criteria. So I really love this guy, and it works well. What more can I say? So if you're looking for any additional information about either of these products, I've got a link down there, right down there. Yeah, there it is. I see it. Click that link for more information. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my other content, and let's meet up again real soon. How about we do that? It's a date.